you ever looked at a color and gone, that absolutely reminds me of someone? So recently, I don't know if you guys have been following, but I had to go to a funeral last week because I lost my friend to breast cancer. And after I filmed on Thursday, my building my makeup drawer, monthly makeup drawer, I had to go get my nails filled. And I saw this color. It's shimmery, it's pink, and it reminds me of my friend. Immediately. Like when I saw the color, I went, that's it. So I got it and went to her funeral on Friday, and it was a celebration of life. It was a celebration of her. And I was glad I got to be there. But because it made me go, ooh, Angela, I think of pink, I said, well, to myself, what can I do to honor her? Pink. I have pink makeup on, except for my shimmer, that's gold. Alright guys, this is a new lens. I haven't quite figured it all out yet. So, this is a trial and error. So, I have my handy dandy hand mirror, and I have my other mirror over here, and we're gonna get started. So what I'm doing is I am taking my fluffy eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild, because that's how I roll. And I will be using this brush for a fair amount, so I will go ahead and bring over my color switch dupe from Ulta. But what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit. I don't know, can you see that? It's not really focusing. Meh. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my brush and just dab it in, and I am taking it in my crease area and moving it up. And all this is doing is it gives something for my shadow to blend into. And the reason why I'm using a blush is because they're not as pigmented as eyeshadows. So you can build it up if you wish, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I think that's a good start. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye real quick. Hey guys, I'm gonna take this brush. You can't see it. It's the we got it in BoxyCharm a few months ago, where it was the step 3. I think it was from Vintage Cosmetics, where it's like 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 for the money now. Go. No, oh, sorry. I'm singing. So anyway, I'm going in the color Bitten right here. And it's kind of powdery, and it's deep. So what I'm gonna do is I am putting it in my crease, but also putting it in my outer corner. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And I am going to take my original brush from Wet n Wild and blend it in. Now I'm going to do that again on the other side. Oh guys, I wanted to let you know why I'm doing this method and placing the colors where I am. Generally, they go colors. We're trying to brighten up the inside of our eyes, not lashes. I know what I mean. And so the outer corner creates depth, and then we come in here. I'm gonna lay down that shimmery gold. So I am taking a flat shader brush. It's kind of stiff, and just in case, I am getting my finishing spray to wet the brush. But I'm gonna go ahead and dip it into this color here, the gold color that I got in my Ipsy that was from Honolulu, and I cannot remember the name of. Yeah, that one. Basically, guys, I am just layering it up over. Now I'm going to also wet the brush. I think we got a good color, but I'll wet the brush and show you what it does. And when you wet the brush, what happens is it just intensifies. It's called foiling if you're not familiar with the term. And then I'm going to take my original brush and blend. And what I'm doing is blending along the edges. So I'm going to do that again with the other side. You know, the drill. I have. That is my 3 shadow look. Okay, so I finished the rest of my look-ish. I have curled, I put on my foundation, my blush, and I went ahead and used that same blush that we used in the eyeshadow look. I added highlight and stuff, but I haven't done my mascara. Oh well, we'll get to that soon. But I thought, because my friend Angela reminded me of pink, sparkly pink, I would do a sparkly pink lip also. Yeah, I know, it's silly, but it reminds me of her. So I got this color from Ofra, and I do not remember the color, but I got it in BoxyCharm, and I think it's a beautiful color. And then I have this Ipsy Unzipped Unzipped from Ipsy that I went ahead, I was thinking I would dab together. So I like how that looks, but I think I want it to be a little more sparkly. And we got this, oh, Secret Sabotage is the name, from Pretty Vulgar earlier this year, like January. Well, it's not appropriate for me, I don't think, in January, but I like it as a lip topper rather than a regular color. And so we're gonna layer this on too. My challenge for you guys this week is, if you've known anybody who's had cancer, you've known anybody who's been affected by cancer, who, go and give them a hug. Just give them a big squeeze and tell them you love them. I don't care if it was your mom, your grandma, your grandfather, it doesn't matter who it is. Go and tell them that you love them and that you appreciate them. Okay guys, so if you like what you see here, like, subscribe, and comment below. We'll see you soon.